like a ransom note. If I give in, will you?
Hi guys.
Hi, we're in Las Vegas.
We just arrived to Vegas, so our first stop will be Pho restaurant. We're hungry, tired, we need a break and a restaurant break. So here we are. We're heading into the Pho restaurant. Alright guys, here we are. This is the Pho place. We're gonna first stop. So tired, back hurts. I'm supposed to be at a convention center tomorrow for the Cosmoprof. Decided to take my whole family for a trip. I didn't want to leave the kids at home. We just gotta do some family time, do some kids activities, and we'll see how much kids activity they have, because I know in Vegas, you know, it's all adult stuff, but I'm sure there's a lot of activities, so I'm gonna show you guys. But let's eat first, so hungry. Come on. Okay, come on. Cái này là đặc biệt hả?
Dạ, đặc biệt medium.
Okay, thank you. Cơm với tôm để bên này nè. Dạ, cảm ơn.
Bên đây với trứng là sao em?
Yep, thank you.
Colin, look at Carter's knife.
Honestly guys, we are so tired. It was like a 6-hour drive, no traffic, so we just gonna eat and enjoy the food before we head to the strip, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put my camera down. Let me see you take a bite. Carter, go. Let me see you take a bite. Alright, come on in. So we just finished eating. We are energized now. We're gonna go to our hotel, which is the Venetian, and we're gonna check in. And after that, we might just walk the strip and, you know, just want to show you guys around. I'm sure you guys probably been to Vegas already, but something more fun. So right now we are heading to our room, and this is my first time staying at the Venetian, and look at this. Look at the hallway. Look at this nice hallway. Wow. Have fun.
Oh, yeah, I want to leave you.
Wait, did you open the door?
Party, party, party in.
424.
Okay,
What the?
okay. Go, get off, get in.
Oh my.
Hold the door.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow, what is this?
Go.
Oh my God.
Go right on the carpet.
Whoa, what is this? Dang, this a room? Jeez. Dang, this is like a suite.
This is a suite, Daddy.
This is the room in the Venetian right here, guys.
I see McDonald's.
What? Let me see the view. Heading to the view.
See McDonald's.
Dang, that's a nice view. You guys got the Vegas Strip view.
What's that?
Oh, dang.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Look at this. Look at the sofa. Dang, this is a nice living room right here with the TV. Dang, look at this. Man. Jeez, look at this.
They have a door.
Dang, that's a shower right here. And look at the bathtub, guys.
It has golden handles.
Dang.
Kayla, you can call everything better in Las Vegas. Look.
Welcome to Las Vegas, guys. Alright guys, so after we check in the hotel, the kids want to go swimming. So before it gets dark to go sightseeing around the strip, we gotta just go swim for the kids' sight, you know? Look, hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm gonna come in.
Daddy,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mom there. Hi, Mom. Hey. What's up, y'all?
Daddy, I want to show them something underwater.
Okay, you want? Well, I cannot take my camera underwater. Remember?
You did it last time.
Not this time. Not this time. No diving. The guy said no diving.
That's not diving.
Hey, my oldest son, my youngest. Not my youngest. You're not my youngest. My youngest is nowhere to be found right now. Yeah.
Call it.
I never make promises.
No crying. No crying.
Put me down.
Hey, look at here. Let's show the view of the. Woo! We just finished swimming, and where are we going now, kids?
Eminem Store.
No, we're just gonna go browse around the strip first.
No, New York.
But, yep. Let's get it. Let me see. All right, y'all. So it's around 8:45, and we are just starting to browse around the strip in Vegas with my kids. Like I said earlier, we don't gamble. We don't really party too hard anymore. But we want to take the kids for sightseeing, and we want to let them, just experience. Let them learn the architecture of Las Vegas. You know what I mean? Look at that. Woo!
Daddy.
Dang.
Daddy.
What's up?
It's the Beatles.
How excited are you?
Look at my eyes.
Why? What's wrong with your eyes?
Chlorine. Colin dropped me.
How excited are you?
And he was like putting his leg.
How excited are you?
Super fun.
She didn't answer my question, so she's not going to be in the video.
Ah,
How excited are you?
super.
And why are you whining?
Colin dropped me.
How excited are you?
Good.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget.
Right now we are standing in front of the Bellagio, and we are waiting for the water fountain. There's wifey. Come here, get in. Getting for a shot. Picture. This way. Alright, Kaylin, get down. Colin, get in. Get under mommy, go.
I can't see you, Kaden.
Alright y'all, so after a long walk all the way down to the end of the strip, we made it to the Eminem Store for the kids, so let's check it out. Let's go in, guys, let's go in. Where we at? Can you tell the viewer where we at?
We're at the Eminem factory.
Yeah, can you tell the viewer what we're gonna do now? Let's get it, you gotta stand up now, let's get hyped. Tell me, oh, Jesus. Alright, what are we gonna do? How many floors are we gonna go to?
All of them.
What they got on this wall? Okay, look at all the keychains, liners, and everything. They got the red, yellow, the brown, the green, blue, orange. Right now we are on the second floor of the Eminem Store, and this is how it looks like. excited are you?
I'm not that excited because they don't have a lot of non-peanut ones.
But you don't know that. They have everything.
I don't like peanuts.
Okay, let's go.
Come on, let's get that.
Wait. I want to hear your voice.
Daddy,
Wait, how excited are you?
so excited.
Why?
You're like a ransom note.
These are really good.
If I give in, will you come home? I put everything I have into getting you back. I was only 17.
Look at Daddy.
Walked across the burning bridge for you.
Alright guys, so this is the third floor right here. The third floor of the Eminem shop. It's where you can build your own M&Ms. And we are heading into the fourth floor. And this is where you know my wife is a little tipsy with this little stroller. Can we see how you do this real quick? This is ridiculous how you did it earlier. Lord. We are in the fourth floor of the Eminem Store, guys. Right next to the MGM and New York. And this is what you see at the fourth floor. A nice Eminem NASCAR. Look at that. How cool is that? Let me ask you this. How do you like Vegas so far?
I love it.
How do you like Vegas? What the heck is that? How do you like Vegas? What the heck?
I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs.
Wow, you can actually see a nice roller coaster, New York, right in front of us on the fourth floor of Eminem Store right here. Dang!
Oh yeah, dude.
Okay. So we just finished with the Eminem Store, so we are all hungry. It's around 11 something. We're gonna go to this place called The Secret Pizza, and it's located in the Cosmopolitan. So we're walking there right now. As you can see through my background, it's very pretty. Let me show you. Here we are at the Secret Pizza place. And this place is literally called the Secret Pizza Place.